These are essentials for a polished look. A quick way to get a polished blow dry look is to use hot rollers. And then this is IT Cosmetics CC Cream. It gives great coverage, luminous, but great sun protection as well. IT Cosmetics Lash Superhero gives beautiful volume.
This is one of my favourite palettes. Look at those colours, and they're all matte. It looks really classy doing a matte eyeshadow.
I love the shades in this palette, and then I use it as an eyeliner under the eye as well.
Bit of Patrick Tar brow lamination gel, just to brush these puppies up. Already put powder in them. This is vita hyaluronic hydropower, so it's definitely not drying. Concealer. Small brush. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Diamond Stick Highlighter. This is NARS Dolce Vita Velvet Matte Lip Pencil.
This is a really glamorous yet understated shade. If you want your makeup to look like a makeup artist did it, try individual lashes. It just gives you so much pop to your eyes. You can use Ardell or Glam by Manicare. They don't need to be expensive. Then take out your rollers and you're good to go.